The Tongass National Forest is a rainforest, which means we get a ton of rain. Alaska in the sunshine is undeniably beautiful, but I do encourage people to embrace those rainy days because this is Alaska when it's most alive. This ecosystem needs rain. The rainforest needs the rain to have that abundance of fresh green foliage and moss that squishes under your feet. The glaciers need rain to feed them. So I encourage people not to shy away from going out on the rainy days. Go out and feel that Alaskan rain and feel the experience of what Alaska should be like. An Alaska when it's truly alive and vibrant.